Awning windows are a stylish and functional addition to many homes in Nampa, offering excellent ventilation, natural light, and a unique aesthetic. However, like any home feature, they require regular maintenance to ensure they remain in top condition. Nampa's weather, with its mix of hot summers, cold winters, and seasonal rain, can take a toll on your windows over time. Proper care not only preserves their beauty but also extends their lifespan and ensures they perform efficiently. Here's how to maintain your awning windows in Nampa's varying weather conditions. Regular cleaning for clear views and smooth operation. Dirt, dust, and grime can accumulate on awning windows, especially after rain or during windy seasons. Regular cleaning keeps them looking great and prevents operational issues. How to clean awning windows. Glass cleaning. Use a non-abrasive glass cleaner or a mixture of water and vinegar for streak-free results. Wipe with a microfiber cloth or squeegee. Frame cleaning. Wash frames with warm soapy water and a soft sponge. Avoid abrasive pads that could scratch the surface. Hardware cleaning. Clean hinges, locks, and cranks with a damp cloth to remove dust and debris. Frequency. Clean your awning windows at least twice a year, or more frequently if they are exposed to heavy dirt or pollen. Inspect and maintain weather stripping. Weather stripping is crucial for sealing your awning windows against drafts, moisture, and temperature fluctuations. Over time, exposure to Nampa's weather can wear it down. Inspection steps. Check for cracks, peeling, or missing sections of weather stripping. Feel for drafts around the edges of the window on windy days. Look for signs of water intrusion after heavy rain. Maintenance tip. Replace damaged weather stripping promptly to maintain energy efficiency and protect your home from the elements. Lubricate hinges and cranks. Awning windows rely on hinges and cranks for smooth operation. Regular lubrication keeps these moving parts functioning properly, even in Nampa's fluctuating temperatures. How to lubricate. Use a silicone-based lubricant on hinges, cranks, and other moving components. Avoid oil-based products, which can attract dirt. Wipe away any excess lubricant to prevent buildup. Open and close the window a few times to distribute the lubricant evenly. Frequency. Lubricate moving parts once or twice a year to prevent rust and ensure smooth operation. Protect against moisture damage. Nampa's seasonal rain and humidity can lead to moisture-related issues, such as mold, mildew, or wood rot, especially in wooden frames. Prevention tips. Ensure proper drainage around the window by keeping weep holes clear of debris. Wipe away condensation on the interior glass promptly to prevent water pooling. Inspect wooden frames regularly for signs of rot or swelling, and reseal or repaint as needed. For added protection, consider applying a water-resistant sealant to wooden frames. Check for storm damage. Strong winds, heavy rain, and occasional storms in Nampa can impact the integrity of your awning windows. After severe weather, inspect your windows for damage. What to look for. Cracks or chips in the glass. Bent or misaligned hinges and frames. leaks or water stains around the edges. Post-storm maintenance. Address any issues immediately to prevent further damage and maintain the safety and functionality of your windows. Preserve energy efficiency. The awning windows are designed to improve energy efficiency, but their performance can diminish if they're not properly maintained. Efficiency tips. Clean the glass and frames to allow maximum natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting. Ensure the window closes tightly to maintain an airtight seal. Inspect for gaps or cracks in the frame and repair them promptly. Proper maintenance helps keep your home comfortable while lowering energy costs. Seasonal maintenance checklist. Adapting your maintenance routine to Nampa's seasonal changes ensures your awning windows remain in excellent condition year-round. Spring and summer. Clean windows to remove pollen and dirt from the frames and glass. Check for signs of wear after spring rains. Ensure the windows are operating smoothly to maximize ventilation during warmer months. Fall and winter. Inspect weather stripping and seals for gaps to prepare for cooler temperatures. Remove debris from the frames to prevent water buildup during rain or snow. Lubricate moving parts to ensure they don't stiffen in the cold. By addressing seasonal concerns, you can extend the lifespan of your awning windows and prevent costly repairs. Partner with professionals for inspection. While regular DIY maintenance is essential, professional inspections can identify hidden issues and ensure your windows are in optimal condition. Benefits of professional help. Detect and address potential problems before they become costly repairs. Receive expert advice on enhancing energy efficiency and longevity. Access professional-grade cleaning and repair tools for thorough maintenance. Scheduling an annual inspection provides peace of mind and keeps your windows performing at their best. Final thoughts. Maintaining awning windows in Nampa's weather conditions is key to preserving their functionality, beauty, and energy efficiency. Regular cleaning, inspections, and preventative care will ensure they stand up to the elements and continue to enhance your home for years to come. For comprehensive care or professional inspections, partner with a trusted window expert in Nampa. With expert guidance and support, your awning windows will remain a valuable feature of your home, delivering style, comfort, and efficiency in every season.